Okay, let's go on another hike. We are heading to Lanikai. It is the Pillbox hike. So popular. You can see all the tourists on their bikes. Lanikai, just set it into Google and follow your way there. Except they've changed a lot of rules here with parking because it's become so tough to do. So just pay attention to all the signs that are up and just don't get yourself a ticket. You can see these warning signs about parking by bike lanes and things like that right there. And the hike is actually up that mountain. I'll show you where to start. It's one of those things that you don't always have to even figure out because so many people do it. Okay, when you get lucky to find parking and you'll just follow the masses, this is a street that you walk up on. And I'll put the description in down below. Walk up this way towards the golf course. Probably put Mid-Pack Country Club in as the address. Just walk up the road. There you go. You can thank Instagram for this. Pillbox. And on the way up, look at the people coming down. And this is the start of the hike. You can see people put up some signs. It's become so popular. It's really not that tricky. You just need to scramble the first 100 yards. Thousands of people do it. Gosh, they even do it in flip-flops, barefoot. Just cruise on up. I always just stay to the right. They have some ropes put up here. It's just so easy. That girl was having a real tough time with it. It's just what to be expected on a major tourist trail. Just like that. I'm to the top. I just stuck to the right. It's not nearly as steep. Definitely breathing a little heavy, but not bad. But the views up here, whoo, they're beautiful. And there you go. Super spectacularly beautiful. To this, just take that up all the way up the ridge line. You can see how beaten down the path is and all the people. I do have to say though, the views are spectacular up here. So beautiful. It just has become so popular. It is Tuesday and there's just, hundreds of people on this trail. The backside, coming up to the first pillbox. And I'll show you a little spot here. It kind of gets a little steep. There's so many people. Straight up, pretty steep. Easily doable. I'll just kind of show you what I do. I kind of stay right. I don't know why, it's just my thing. And just kind of cruise straight up. But I've hiked pretty much my whole life and I'm comfortable with it. And I'll zoom back down and show you. It's about that steep. And more photos. All right, we made it to the first pillbox. This place is just 24/7. Little advice, if you want, try to get here early in the morning for sunrise. Really cool place. And there'll just be people piled all around it. The graffiti changes. I put plenty of stickers. But the reason why they're here is a shot like this. It's just beautiful. Alright, so many people stop at the first pillbox. There's actually another one. It's actually a bigger one over there. Look at all the people. On a real positive note though, gosh, look at this. It's just spectacular. So beautiful. I understand why people are up here doing this. Pillbox 2. just has incredible views. One thing that's kind of cool about this is you can still see in this one where it's not boarded up. See down below in the second one. And just beautiful views of the Oaks. Okay, that was a quick little hike. Thank you for watching. If you like, subscribe. If you like even more, give me a thumbs up and we'll do another hike.
Maybe you came from heaven, maybe you sing me a second. I feel the love and I wonder how